Welcome to Alabama's Smart Yards. Our garden chores are easier with good tool maintenance. Today, David Kuhn will show us helpful tips for keeping pruners sharp.
When it comes to pruning, there's nothing better than having a well-maintained set of pruners with a nice sharp blade. Not only will having sharp pruners reward you with easier cuts, but those cuts will heal better. Dull pruning tools are likely to tear plant tissue, increasing the likelihood of infection. You will need a few things to start your cleaning process: soft cotton rags, fine sandpaper, steel wool, light machine oil, penetrating oil, and a sharpening tool. Wipe down the tool with a rag, removing as much of the surface dirt as possible. If the tool has deep rust, use fine sandpaper to lightly sand those spots and remove as much as possible. Spray the pruners with a penetrating oil and use steel wool to remove any sap residue and remaining rust. Wipe with a rag until all foreign matter is removed. Once clean, we're ready to sharpen the blade. Use a whetstone or a carbide tip sharpener. Place the sharpener on the blade at the same angle as the beveled blade surface and make 3 to 4 smooth pulls across the surface. If using a whetstone, you will make small circular motions along the beveled edge. If you need to sanitize your pruners, use 3 parts water and 1 part bleach, or rubbing alcohol, or a household disinfectant wipe. Lastly, coat the metal surface with a thin film of light machine oil and place a drop in any hinged joints or springs and work the oil in.